This video will watch the best ratings for Tinsel Garland for Christmas tree decorations from over 2,882 customer reviews. It is soft, not scratchy in any way. Soft and sassy Tinsel Garland, sparkle kitsch for festivals. Bright metallic tinsel reflects light for extra sparkle. The silver color looks exactly like the snow when looked at some distance. This is the must-have decoration for your Christmas tree. It provides great color and coverage for your Christmas tree. Perfect for Christmas and fantastic for any holiday season decoration. Ideal for parties, weddings, festivals, home decorations, gardens, bushes, floral tributes, artwork, Halloween angel costumes, Christmas trees, walls, hedges, stair handrails, doorways, windows, poles, tables, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.